how to delete apps from PC and laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete or uninstall apps from your PC. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, just click on the start menu at the bottom of the screen. And now here in this section, simply click on settings to open that settings app. And now here, once you are inside the settings, on the left hand sidebar, simply click on apps. And now here, once you're inside the app section, just tap on installed apps. And now here, simply scroll through the list and find the app that you want to remove. And now here, once you have found the app, simply tap on the three dot icon beside that app. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap or click on uninstall and confirm it by clicking on uninstall again. And once you do that, the app will be removed from the PC. And that's it. That's how you can remove or uninstall the app from laptop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.